friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's topic is short trick to determine linearly dependent and linearly independent of vectors. So how will you define or how will you get to know the vectors are linearly dependent or linearly independent? So for that, let Vf be a vector space. Now the finite set of vectors v1, v2, v3, vn in V, it is said to be linearly independent if this condition gets satisfied. Rank of A, this is equal to number of vectors, or you can say determinant of A is not equal to 0. So either this condition gets satisfied or this condition gets satisfied. Next is when the vectors are said to be linearly dependent. So the vectors v1, v2, v3, vn, they are said to be linearly dependent if your rank of A, this is less than number of vectors, or determinant of A, this is equal to 0. So you can check any of the condition. An example, if v1, v2 and v3 are vectors, show that the vectors are linearly dependent in R cube. So what will we do? We will write the vectors v1, v2 and v3 row wise in a matrix A. Now I want to find the rank of this matrix. So I will apply elementary row operations. So first elementary row operation is R12. So means interchange first row with the second. So I am getting this. Now I want to make this 3 as 0. So what I will apply? R3 minus 3R1. Then I will get the entries as 0, -1, -2. Now next operation I will apply as R3 plus R2. So what it becomes? If you apply R3 plus R2, you are getting 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 0. So our matrix, it get reduced to the rational matrix. Now the pivots are 1 and 1. Two pivots are there. Right. So this means rank of this matrix A is 2. And number of vectors are 1, 2, 3. 3 vectors. So rank is less than number of vectors. This implies vectors are linearly dependent. Or you can find the determinant of this matrix A. So A is the matrix. We have just written the entries. Then we find determinant of A. Determinant of A, it comes out to be 0. What the condition is, condition for linearly dependent is determinant of A should be 0. This means our vectors are linearly dependent. Vectors are linearly dependent. Now let us take up another example. Example 2. Let v1, v2, v3, these are three vectors, and we have to determine whether the vectors are linearly dependent or linearly independent. So now A is a matrix. We have written the v1, v2, v3 column wise. Now again I want to find its rank. So what operation will I apply? I will apply R2 plus R1, R3 minus 3 times R1, so that I am able to get 0 over here, 0 over here and 0 over here. So on applying these operations, I am getting 0, 3, 7, 0, minus 3, 8. Right. Now again I will apply the operation R3 plus R2. So it will give me 0 over here. Right. In the matrix in rational form. So 1, 3 and -1, these are pivots. Number of pivots that will give you rank of the matrix. Now number of vectors are 3. So rank of the matrix A is 3. So this means these two are equal. So vectors are linearly independent. Or we take the matrix A, find out its determinant, and it comes out to be non-zero. So as it comes out to be non-zero, the vectors are said to be linearly independent. So, thank you all. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe it, like and share. Thanks again.